Hello everybody, my name is Kelsey Pager and I am a secondary education mathematics major. Today I'm going to be showing you some books about exponential and logarithm functions. So on my screen you will see the first book I would like to share with you. It is called General Mathematics, and I'd actually like to read a little passage from this book. The passage I am reading states, "While simple and compound interest are basic financial concepts, becoming thoroughly familiar with them will help you make better decisions when taking out a loan or making investments, which may save you thousands of dollars over the long term." Now this book is great because it covers many mathematical topics, but in the chapters where it mentions exponential and logarithms, it gives many real-world examples and really helps you become familiar with especially like investing and all that kind of stuff. Now my second book is called Logarithms and Exponentials. Now this is more of a practice workbook. It gave great examples though, and it also provided little explanations about how to do certain problems. So I think this would be a great book to have in a classroom as an extra practice guide, or if students aren't understanding something, they can look over in this book. My third book is How to Create Wealth in the Stock Market. This book is everything about investing and stocks, so I think this is very interesting for anybody that's interested in anything to do with stocks. This would be great for seniors that are going into the real world and need to learn a little bit about the stock market. My fourth book is called Exponentials and Logarithms. Now this book just gave great, short, simple examples of everything with exponentials and logarithms, and it also gave a few examples. Now my fourth book, Logarithms, this book shows uses of all the formulas with the logs and exponentials actually, and it gave examples as well. And then my last book, Great Formulas Explained. This book was interesting because it explained how and why we need these formulas and how important they are. Now for my project, I made a poster board and I have all the book titles and pictures of the books. And then I also put examples of log and exponential graphs. And then I also did a few definitions, and I put some statements about investing and how important it is for students. So that is my project, and I hope you found it interesting as we explore more logarithms and exponential functions. Thank you.